Okay, let's start over. Let's high five. Let's start over. Okay, now listen, focus so we can do this quickly.
Bonjour.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Pierre.
Great, thank you. So today we're going to be doing a science experiment and we're going to be making veggie cars. And this is a great experiment that you can do, and all you need is some local fruits or veggies from your local grocery store. And so we picked up some different vegetables. Do you want to show them? This one's a grapefruit. That's an orange, a banana, some radishes, and you are going to definitely need some straws. And we couldn't find any skewers, so we grabbed stir sticks. And essentially, you are going to be making a vehicle out of this. And what grade are you in? Kindergarten. And we went to the grocery store and we put these on a, do you remember what that was? We put that on?
Wait.
A weight. And we put it on a scale to see their weight. And so, which one is heavier? Let's show the camera. Which one was heavier on the scale? And this is 1 pound. And then show them this one. And then that one was like so little, it was very light. So we wanted to test to see which one we thought was going to go quicker down the hill. And we talked about the weight. But do you remember the word for weight? Good job. Do you remember the word for weight? I'll give you a clue. It starts with the M. Monday.
Money.
Mass. And so the object has mass to it, which is essentially its weight. And we wanted to talk about if you wanted to move this object from here to here, how would you do it?
From your hand.
And do you remember what that movement, what you're doing to it? You're putting
Fours.
High five, you remember. Good job. So just to go over, we talked about the weight, which is the mass, and we talked about pushing or the moving it, and that's called the force. Awesome. So even at kindergarten, you can start talking about physics. And we went to the grocery store and we picked out. So Liv, you're going to show your design for your veggie cart. Oh, never mind. We're not showing it just yet. And so, yeah, so tune back later to see the items we made. But essentially, we want to talk about physics and talking about force and mass. And remember we talked about this last time. Wow, good job. Which one is it? Point at it.
It's a plane car.
Plane car.
It's a plane. That's a car.
That's so exciting. Thank you for showing us that. And so Olivia brought up last time, depending on how hard you push the object, makes it go faster. So that's about acceleration. So the 3 things you want to think about is force, mass, and acceleration. And those are just introductory things for 5-year-olds, putting them in simple words with simple objects. But yeah, can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Tune in later.